Thanks for checking out Libby Langdon Living. I'm Libby, and if you like this design segment, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So often I work with clients who already have artwork that they really love, and sometimes it can be a challenge to decide where's the perfect spot for it. The most important thing to remember is if there are pieces that you really love, you should surround yourself with them. So as a designer, it's not my taste in artwork, it's whatever the client loves. I think also what can be fun is if you do have lots of different styles of artwork, to maybe create a montage, sort of an art gallery wall in a hallway, upstairs or downstairs. When you're hanging art over a sofa, sometimes the rule of thumb is about 10 inches from the top back of your sofa. But I would say use your best judgment. See what look you like. Don't be afraid to hang really big pieces of art over a sofa. This is a really dramatic piece of furniture, so a big piece of art really puts a spotlight on it. So if you have some really dynamic furniture, make sure that the artwork you're pairing with it is just as special. Just be sure to spice up your space with art because it completes your home.